Hey there, Year 6. Today we're going to understand reflection. I know it says rotation of shapes, but this is actually reflection of shapes in the y-axis and the x-axis. Over here I've got my scripts that you're familiar with, and there are different parts to my scripts that allow me to reflect my creeper correctly in each axis. So first of all, you can see on my stage that I have 5 buttons. I have a start button, and then I have part 1, and then we're going to reflect in the y-axis in part 2. You can see that when I click on part 2, I have had to change my costume because we are rotating the creeper every time we reflect in these axes, and I have to rotate it because if we only kept it face to face, a face left or right, it wouldn't reflect properly. I will show you this right now. So when I go to part 3, I'm in my Y costume. You can see straight away that that was not a true reflection. You can see straight away that when I go to part 3, the eyes should be at the bottom. So I'm just going to pause this and show you what it should look like. And we're back. You can see straight away that I probably added some extra blocks right now. What this will allow me to do is reflect my creeper correctly. So now you can see that the eyes are facing the y-axis here. So when it goes to the other side, it's still looking at the mirror. This is the mirror. Reflection is still looking at the mirror. So when I go to part 3, its feet will be facing the x-axis mirror. So the feet are facing here, the feet will be facing here. So it will be upside down like that. You can also see that the eyes are still facing the Y mirror. So imagine these are 2 mirrors, and we're going to go and stick the creeper in here. It's looking at the Y mirror here. It's still looking at the Y mirror. Its feet are at the X mirror, and so forth. So you can see that in my costumes I've got the X costume and the Y costume. This is the Y costume and the X costume. I've only called them that so that we know which is which. That's the part 1 dealt with. Thank you.